I go out into nature to get rid of that negativity feeling or just that weird funky feeling that life brings upon us. And as soon as I get to the parking lot, I know I've made it. Of course, I know the waterfall is the ultimate destination. But you know what? I change my mind frame as soon as I get to the parking lot and I start my journey, walking on the trail. I start focusing on the smells. I start focusing on the noises that I'm hearing from the little birds or the little crickets or whatever I hear. I start to hyper-focus on all of these things. I put away my phone and I don't even look at it unless I'm going to take a picture or take a video. I hope you feel this, and I hope I bring a new perspective to you.